Meteorologist Tim Joyce. Oh, you're one of our neighbors,
Yeah.
and we are wondering, where is spring?
We had it on Friday. It was a day. Maybe you missed it. Maybe you're sleeping in. No, it's going to come back. It's kind of this roller coaster effect we get during the springtime when it gets cold and then we get disappointed and the sun comes out and then we're all overjoyed. And then it goes away again. And in fact, we saw some of that today. If you're up early enough, you did see some beautiful sunrise action there. Some time-lapse imagery shows some nice amounts of sun, though didn't last very long. Those clouds, as you can see in that shot from the top of the KOIN tower, looking towards the north and the west, sort of advancing on the region. And we did see the cloudy skies by the afternoon, just about every single corner around the northwest. And a little bit of a temperature tease, what we've been seeing from Mother Nature. Our first day above 60 degrees was on Thursday, and then skyrocketed into the upper 60s, well above normal, to 68 gorgeous degrees on Friday. And then Mother Nature, just kidding, Saturday and Sunday, both in the low end of the 50s. Now, if the 50s are cool, how about afternoon highs in the 40s? We're talking about a winter weather advisory in the Cascades, so do watch out in those higher elevations. We're talking about some low-level snow you need to hear about, so stay tuned for that. We'll pinpoint all the details coming up in just a few minutes. Casey?
So after seeing that, I guess I'm really not going to complain, right?
And let's head to the Cascades this week because we've got a winter storm watch in effect. And so, yeah, we're unseasonably cool temperatures for the west, and we're really going to be getting pretty wet as far as the moisture goes, coming in with another front off the Pacific. And take you live out to the coast. We're waiting for those raindrops to arrive, still holding offshore just now, but 46 degrees with our camera there at Tolovana Inn, looking towards Haystack Rock, and the tide is going out right now, 46 degrees. 51, a little warmer there in McMinnville at the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum. And looking at the gorge live, low clouds out there, and just a touch of some precipitation we got in the overnight hours for last night. And our new camera as of this week, Salty's on the Columbia River, joining our Weatherbug family there, looking towards the Interstate Bridge, and cloudy skies here in the Rose City and for Vancouver as well on the other side of the river. Look at these lows this morning. Very cold temperatures. Some spots saw a little frost on your windshield this morning if you're up early enough. We did make it into the low 50s today as promised, but still upper 50s is normal for this time of the year, and right about 50 degrees all across most of the metro right now. We're going to continue to be in that range as well. Temperatures throughout the evergreen state of Washington, 50 right now with cloudy skies for Kelso and areas around Longview, 52 for the folks in Vancouver near Pearson Field, and around the state of Oregon, 40s for the North Oregon coast around Astoria, and we're continuing to see 50s from Salem all the way down towards Medford. The Dow's checking in at 50 degrees and 40s from Baker City to Redmond all the way down towards K Falls, and that's going to continue as we get into most of the afternoon and evening hours for tomorrow, with these temperatures a little on the cool side for much of the region. As far as how things are shaping up, still waiting for the rain to arrive, and in fact some false radar echoes getting towards the Oregon coast right now and zooming in towards some areas through the Coast Range. That will be a little bit of precipitation over the summits of Highway 6 and Highway 26. But what's coming at us? Well, another front poised to move on through the region. The jet stream pulling a lot of tropical moisture all the way up into our neighborhood. So we're going to see pretty much a soaker of a day for tomorrow, and the rain's going to last for a couple days, in fact, because behind this front, a cooler, showery air mass is poised to move from the Gulf of Alaska across the area. So Tuesday and Wednesday both look like pretty wet days, and then we'll start to clear things out with a little bit better weather. But in the Cascades, expect some snow, and a lot of it. Winter storm watch above 4,000 feet for Monday, and look at Monday night snow total. Some blowing and drifting snow. This will affect some of the mountain passes, the Santiam and the Willamette mostly, but 12 to 18 inches Monday night as that front stalls across the region. And Tuesday, everybody sees some of the white stuff on all those mountain passes, 1 to 3 inches for Tuesday during the day. Timing it out for the raincast, you can see all the way through Monday looking very wet as that front starts to slowly drag its way through the region, and then we start seeing a showery weather for Tuesday and another wet day as well for Wednesday, and then we'll start to see maybe things drying out just a little bit. Let's pinpoint your details for tomorrow, because not everyone's going to get the rain all at the same time. Starting off in the high desert country, it's going to take a little while to see the rain cross over the Cascades, so that afternoon and evening rain developing. The further east you are, the later in the day you'll see that rain developing. Rain at times for the gorge, advancing on the region from west to east as you go through the day. Winter storm watch in the Cascades. Again, watch out for Monday night especially, and Tuesday looks very snowy in the mountains as well. Heavy rain at times along the coast. Southerly winds a little breezy, 10 to 20 miles an hour, and the rain develops north, moving all the way to the south as the day goes on. High temps only in the low end of the 50s, and some spots in the southern valley might get a touch warmer than that. But a rainy day for all the Portland area. We're talking about rainy conditions all day long, and in fact some heavy rain at times getting into the evening commute with my forecast high of 53 degrees. 7-day forecast, and we do see a couple bright spots, especially as we get towards the tail end of the week. We're looking at possible showers for Friday, and then next Saturday a mix of clouds and sun with rain arriving late in the day on Sunday. And you can always follow me on Twitter, Tim Joyce, PDX.
Wow. This has just been incredible in terms of the amount of rain that we've been getting.
We could get tomorrow maybe on the coast 1 inch to 2 inches of rain.
Yuck, not
a
what I
lot of
want to
rain.
hear. All right, thank you, Tim.
Thanks,
Sorry.
Tim.